In today's video, I am going to teach you how to give admin access to someone in Google Analytics. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Analytics. Once you are signed in, you will land on the Analytics home area. This is the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your reporting and recent activity. Before you make any changes, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account and property, since access settings are tied to what you have selected. Next, look to the left side navigation and click Admin. This takes you into the Settings area, where you control access, data settings, and other configuration options. Admin is where you manage permissions, so it is the right place to be when you need to add another person and give them a higher level of access. Inside the Admin section, find and click Account Access Management. This opens the user management screen for the account level. Account level access is powerful because it can apply across multiple properties under that account. If you only want someone to manage a single property, you would normally be careful about which level you choose, but for this walkthrough we are staying exactly in Account Access Management. Now in the Access Management page, click Add. This opens the option to bring in a new person. From the menu that appears, click Add Users. You should now see a form where you can enter the user details and select permissions. In the User field, click into the highlighted area and type the email address for the person you want to add. Make sure the email is typed correctly, because this is what Google Analytics uses to identify their Google account. If the email is wrong, the invitation and permissions will not apply to the right person. Then move to the Permissions area. Click the highlighted Permissions section and choose the level of access you want to grant. Since this video is about admin access, you will select the option that provides administrative privileges. Admin access allows someone to manage settings and other users, so only grant it to people you trust and who truly need that level of control. When everything looks correct, click Add to confirm. Google Analytics will apply the access, and the user will be added to your account access list. And that is all there is to it.